All right, so let's check out this Mask Fit AR. I'm sharing my screen and I'm gonna walk you through every step that you would need to take in order to find your absolute and most perfect CPAP mask ever. This technology is amazing. Right now, I'm just sharing my screen with you so that you'll see every step that I'm going to make as we get to where we need to be. First step, open a new tab. I recommend using your laptop instead of your phone, but your phone will work as well. And you're going to go to the website cleancpap.net. That's cleancpap.net. All right, so I'm going to cleancpap.net. The website has opened up. Now, you'll see several tabs on this website. You can buy CPAP cleaners, batteries, mask, everything here. But look over here in this tab right here, Mask Fit AR info. Mask Fit AR info. Just click on that, and that is going to open up to show you what this technology is going to look at. So once you're on this page, there is a nice little sort of tutorial video right here. You would just click play to watch that video if you want to. However, if you want to just go right into it, you can click here to find your perfect fit. So I'm going to click that. Let's find Chris's perfect fit, but you would need to do this, of course, for yourself because everyone's face is definitely different. That's why we have so many different types of masks, styles of masks. And so once you are in, there are a few options here. You can put in your current brand, size, your name, if you want to. However, that is not required. So you can just leave all of that blank if you don't want any extra data in this process. Or if you're brand new, maybe you've never used a CPAP mask before, you would leave that blank in that case as well. Just click next. It's going to take you to the actual scan page, and it's going to show you an example of how to actually scan your face. So right now I'm waiting on that to open up. My internet is a little bit slow. So here in just a moment, we'll have that available for you guys. Hang tight. Here we go. Any second now. I think it's getting ready. All right. So it's saying face scan is now loading. And as you take a look, it's important a few things. One, if you have glasses on, you're going to want to remove those glasses. Secondly, keep your face neutral. Keep a neutral face. It means, no smiling, no frowning. Just relax your face as if you were asleep, as relaxed as possible. And then thirdly, hold your face very level to the camera. And that's why I say a laptop is probably a little better than using the phone because it's so stable. So let's actually click this button here at the bottom. It says view demonstration. I'm going to click that. Let's take a look at this guy. And he's showing up top, it says slowly tilt your head up, and then the scan is complete. So it's going to start off scanning your face with your face level to the camera. When it gives you the green message to tilt, you'll tilt back, and that will complete the scan. So let's give this a shot on my face. Let's see what happens. All right. You saw that. I waited on it to say tilt your head before I actually tilted my head. And so that is how it works. So I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to send it back over to myself, who is live. See you next time.